Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we have an exciting item from the team at Code of Bell. We're taking a closer look at the upgraded Annex Case II, the 3-way Traveller Sling. This sling bag is compact and slim, making it perfect for travelling, especially with a sleek and discreet profile. Let's dive in and explore what makes this the ultimate lightweight EDC option for both city life and travelling. Here are the features. I'll just list it up on screen. Have a read through it and pause the screen if you have to. Let's start with the exterior. First, you'll notice the minimalist and sleek profile that keeps it discreet yet functional. This makes it ideal for both urban commutes and more rugged outdoor environments. This bag is made from EcoPack EPX fabric, 100% recycled laminated waterproof material. Not only is this fabric environmental friendly, but it's also tough, durable and resistant to the elements, ensuring your essentials stay dry and protected even in unexpected weather conditions. It is rectangular shaped and it does resemble like a passport pouch. So on the front panel, it also includes 2 D-rings and a daisy chain accent. So you got the 2 D-rings here and the daisy chain accents right here, which will allow you to attach additional accessories like a carabiner, a flashlight, or even a small pouch for added versatility. The front compartment here is dome shaped, as they call it, which gives it extra room for bulkier items like your keys, earphones, or small power bank. The dome design isn't just practical, it maintains the slim profile of the bag without overlooking stuff when packed, so it will protrude a bit as most of Code of Bell products do with this type of design form factor. So as you can see inside, you just have is raised here, so it does create like a little dome effect right here, as they call it. It also features YKK AquaGuard zippers, ensuring all your items are fully weather sealed. As expected from Code of Bell, it includes their signature Hypalon pull tabs right here, maintaining the design consistency we've come to appreciate in their product. It's clear that even with this smaller product, they haven't compromised on quality or attention to detail. Turning to the back, we do have 4 attachment points right here. This versatility is a great feature for adapting to different uses. And in the center here, we do have a daisy chain loop again, providing yet another option for attaching additional items back here. While this is a handy feature, it's worth noting that since this is placed at the back position, it might press against your body when the sling is being worn, which could impact the comfort depending on how it's used. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, we do have some branding here as well, just hidden to the side, Code of Bell Los Angeles. So moving on to the straps here, they're pretty solid overall. The standout feature here is the magnetic fidlock buckles, which work flawlessly for quick and secure attachment or release. They're intuitive and reliable, adding a premium feel to the bag. Another feature is the 360-degree swivel connectors at the strap endpoints. These allow for fully rotational movement, ensuring the straps adjust naturally to your body for optimal comfort, no matter how you wear the bag. However, one thing that stands out as a potential drawback is the excess of the slack on the straps here when it's shortened. So this is fixed to my position that I like for my height, and it does have a bit of an access here on the strap. So if I show you here, you can see that there is a bit of slack here, which it does become quite noticeable and doesn't have a dedicated way of managing it. Well, maybe just this little cable clip, but I can see this falling out every once in a while, so it can be a little messy, and honestly it does bug me a little. I might be missing something here, but as it stands, it is a small issue that could have been addressed a bit better. I feel that it is for the purpose of this type of adjustment, so that's why there is that bit of slack. So yeah, if I was to lengthen it all out, then it should be okay and it wouldn't have this excess, but I'm quite short, so to have it to my height, there is a bit of slack, so just be aware of this. The removable strap is a great feature, adding even more versatility to this bag. So once you take it off and detach it, by detaching the strap, you can easily convert the sling into a wallet or travel pouch, making it ideal to keep your essentials organized on the go. This flexibility is perfect for those in situations which they might prefer to carry it by hand, such as when you're traveling light or using it as an accessory inside a larger bag. It is a thoughtful touch, and I can see myself using this feature a lot more. So onto the interior, the Annex Case II truly shines with its impressive organizational features. So as you open it up, you'll notice the accordion style sides, which not only provide the structure, but also help keep your items secure and neatly in place. Plus, the main compartment is equipped with RFID protection, ensuring your sensitive information like credit cards and passports stays safe from digital theft. And can we take a moment just to appreciate the custom made ripstop orange camo lining? It's not just stylish, but it's also highly durable, offering a striking contrast that makes finding your items a lot easier in low light situations. A consistent color of choice by Code of Bell as always. The main compartment doubles as a wallet with a well thought out layout that includes 2 cash slots. So we got a cash slot right here at the back, and we do have one right here, And then we do have two zippered pockets right here down in the center, which you can see right here in the center, and then one off to the front side of the pouch, so another large zippered pocket here. And we do have 8 card slots, so at the back side we have 8 little card slots which you can use to store your credit cards or your debit cards or any other card shaped of that size. And then we got 2 mesh pockets which are right here along the flap in the center here, so 2 mesh pockets for easy access to smaller earbuds or keys. And then we do have 3 elastic loops around here for chargers, cables, or little compact tools. And at the top here we do have a little pen holder as well, for those times when you might need it as well. This level of organization makes the Annex Case II not just a bag but an essential tool for staying prepared. Very handy, and it does give you a good view of the interior when you open it. So just as reference guys, as always, iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I'll just put it in here in one of the slots, and you can see fits perfectly. So for size reference, here you go, and you can see the difference and the size. So perfect for your phone. And just close it up, close it tight, and there you go, very slim profile. So let's start with the pros and cons. We do got premium materials constructed with EcoPack EPX fabric, 100% recycled, waterproof and durable materials that are both eco-friendly and high performing. Versatility, slim and discreet, yet it does provide enough room for everyday carry and important travel essentials. RFID technology protection keeps your information safe and prevents it from digital theft. Some of the cons would be the strap slack, as I mentioned earlier. When shortened, the straps leave some excess slack that doesn't have the greatest management solution, which may feel untidy or inconvenient for some others. Maybe another one would be a wider opening. One thing to note is that the opening could benefit from a little bit wider. While the current design does offer a decent job of keeping everything compact and secure, it might feel a bit restrictive when trying to access your items, especially for those with larger hands. Even for someone like me whose hands aren't particularly big, it can sometimes feel a bit fiddly to maneuver and retrieve the items quickly. A slightly wider opening would enhance usability and make it just a bit more convenient without compromising the slim design. So just a little bit wider, just by maybe a bit more to about here, I would say, would be perfect. But nonetheless, it's still good in this regards. On to the pricing, size and color. The Annex case comes in $119 US, and it comes in just pitch black only in the one size. So on to the conclusion. To wrap it up, the Annex Case II is a well thought out and upgrade from the original, combining sustainability, style and practicality in a compact design. It balances size and function perfectly, making it ideal for city life, travel or outdoor adventures. With its durable and waterproof materials, a smart organization and sleek aesthetic, it's a reliable companion for keeping your travel essentials secure and accessible. While there may be minor issues like the strap slack and a slightly narrow opening that exists, it doesn't overshadow the overall quality and the versatility of this sling. And if you're a fan of Code of Bell's signature design aesthetic, this Annex case stays true to that sleek and modern technical look that we've come to expect. And here's the best part. Code of Bell is offering 20% off site-wide for Black Friday, running from 25th of November to December the 2nd. This is their only discount of the year, so don't miss out. Use the link below to shop and support the channel at the same time. Shout out to the team of Code of Bell for sending this one out to showcase to you guys just before the Black Friday holidays. And if you're interested, make sure to check out my other reviews of their gear for more in-depth insight into their lineup. If you have any questions, just feel free to let me know down in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer it, but you won't want to miss this opportunity, guys. So once a year discount by Code of Bell, don't miss it. That's it for today, guys. Like and comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much.